the right time to become a musician? Because it's my own career as a
Ever since I was a kid, I always know I wanted to become a pilot. On the road to achieving your dreams, you must apply discipline, but more importantly, consistency.
My family and I would like to join the training program of Alpha.
So, being a pilot is my childhood dream.
No matter what you choose, we are going to give you the opportunity and prepare you for a career in the aviation and aerospace and space industries.
You are at the crossroads. It's make or break. Choose wisely, get information, research, and decide.
I have pretty much my career in aviation.
More expand my knowledge of aviation.
What guarantee is quality training? What guarantee is the level of confidence that you will get through this training? And that is what you deserve.
And I talk to every member that the future will be what you do.
The goal